In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar links on this Volkswagen TDI Jetta Wagon. These are going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get into it. In the back, we're going to pull this cover up. And then there's a cover underneath here. You want to pull that up as well. And you want to find the tool kit that comes with your vehicle for the spare tire. And you're looking for this hook or a hook that looks very similar to that. Grab that. We're going to remove these caps. Use that pick. Just get underneath the cap, pull those out. Just like that. Now we're going to remove the lug bolts. Use a 17mm socket. Before I take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel on just so it doesn't fall. Grab the wheel and pull it off. I'm going to loosen up the nut for the sway bar link. Use a 18mm wrench. Crack it free first. You can use a little rust penetrant if you want. All right, and then the stud is going to move. So to prevent the stud from moving, you're going to use a triple square socket. This is a M6 triple square socket. Hold the stud from spinning. And loosen up the nut. You can switch to a ratchet wrench if it makes it easier. Take this nut off. Slide the link out. Now we're going to remove this shield to access the nut down below. Use a T25 socket. Take these screws out. Some screws down here. Take those out. Now we'll take those screws out, use the same T25 socket underneath. There's one right here, and also one over here. Pull those off, grab the shield, and you can pull this out. Comes out. Now using a 18mm socket, loosen up this nut. I'm going to use some locking pliers on this side to prevent the stud from spinning. There we go. Or you can use a triple square socket. It's just this nut is on there pretty tight, so triple square might not work for me. The M6 triple square. Let's get this to turn a little bit. Take that nut off, pull the link out, and take the new link, slide that in, get the nut started. And to hold the stud, we're going to use a 5mm hex socket in the middle. Tighten that down. Now torque this nut to 48 foot-pounds. Now take this shield and line this back up. Push that in position. And take the screws and tighten those down. And take the screws, get the screws started, snug those down up top. Slide the link through the bracket, put the nut on. Hold the stud from spinning, and I'll tighten this down. I'm going to torque that nut to 48 foot-pounds. Take the wheel, get that lined up, line it up with the holes. Take one of the lug bolts, get that started. Snug that down and get the other ones. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 98 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. And take the caps and put the caps on. After you're done, you want to put the hook back, go back to your spare tire, find the toolkit, and install it in the toolkit.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.